Afternoon all, and on today's episode of Ford Escort Mark 1 and pretty much whatever else tickles my fancy, we have been messing with the pit bike again. I've had to redo all that suspension on the bottom, raise it up by an inch. Also, you can't really see it, can you, but I wrapped it with sign writing tape, or should I say sign writing vinyl, complete with creases. And we've had the original fuel tank on wet test because all the bottom was warped on it. I've been eating it up and sanding it flat and trying to make seals for it and all that stuff, and I think it's still got a slight weep. So I got fed up with that lot, and I think this is about the 800th day now, but that one's solid. So I thought I'd invite you all to join me on a little voyage of discovery. So let's see what we can find in here. So I'm not going to get very far with that one. I don't know if that's like number 60 for 60 grit or number 60 that I've used on this car. Feels more like 60 I've used on the car. Well, anyway, let's all have a little look together and see what we can find in here. I'll just hand you over to my assistant. Let's get going. Well, that's promising. That's steel. I have no idea why all those dents are coming outwards. I don't even know what could have gone in there to hit those dents out that way. But anyway, well, that's nice then. There seems to be a lot of poundage going on there. We've got plenty of haulage. It's nicely going in my face. lens covered in crap now. So, we've got a lovely patchy patch, which is rusted out already. Some horrible horrors all around there, and down there. And I suppose really, oh actually, can you see that in there? There's a welded line in there. It looks like a welded line anyway, so it looks like he's had some sort of patch. Yeah, I can see the start of it there, look. Or should I do that again where you can see the start of it there, look. There, yeah, that's it. So, looks like I'm going to have a bit of extra work on this side. I might as well get on with that then. Later.